Hello everyone, welcome to this video on AI tool and platforms, that is part 2. It is about text to image generation. In this session, we will explore how artificial intelligence can turn simple text into stunning images. We will look at free and easy to use tools that anyone can try, learn how they work, and discuss the ethical side of AI generated art. By the end, you will be ready to create your own AI powered visuals. Let's get started. Have you ever wished you could simply describe a picture and have the computer bring it to life? That's the power of text to image AI. This technology is transforming the way we create art, design, products, and even learn. The best part, you don't need expensive software. There are free options available to everyone. Today, we will explore how this system works, from brainstorming ideas to generating stunning visuals. Whether you are a student, an artist, or just someone with curious mind, this technology can help turn your imagination into reality. But we will also discuss the importance of using it responsibly, because with any powerful innovation, there are key considerations to keep in mind. By the end of this video, you will master 4 essential skills. First, you will learn how to communicate with AI to get the best possible images. Think of it like unlocking a new creative language. Second, we will explore free platforms together, walking through the process of generating images step by step. Third, you will discover how to evaluate different AI generated artwork, because each system has its own unique style, much like human artists. And finally, we will tackle the big question: who owns AI created art? How do we know what's real? These insights will help you use this technology wisely, whether you are designing, learning, or simply experimenting with new ways to create. Let's take a quick peek behind the curtain to understand how these AI tools actually work. Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures with captions. After a while, they start connecting words with images. That's essentially how AI learns too. The technology we are using today is called a diffusion model. Here is the simple version. It starts with random noise, like TV static, and gradually shapes into an image that matches your words step by step. The AI references all those patterns it learned during training to build something entirely new. Pretty amazing, right? Now, better your description, the clearer the AI's imagination can work. That's why we will practice crafting great prompts together in just a moment.
Before diving into the exciting world of AI art, where words transform into stunning visuals, let's explore how these tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta, or Group can unlock your creativity and bring your ideas to life. AI art is revolutionizing creativity. It's changing how art is made and shared, empowering marketing with unique visuals, simplifying education, and enhancing storytelling. The possibilities are endless. Here is how it works. Describe your ideas in words, let the AI interpret and visualize it, generate stunning art, and customize it to perfection. It's creativity made effortless. You don't need to be an artist. You direct the AI with words, it handles the technical magic, and you are free to experiment without limits. The power of creation is in your hands. From eye-catching book covers to custom ads, educational visuals, and immersive storytelling, AI art is making wave across industries. The only limit is your imagination. Be specific, mention style or moods, experiment freely, And start simple. Great prompts lead to amazing results. Don't be afraid to play and refine. Imagine, create, and share. Dream big, use AI to bring your visions to life and inspire others. The future of creativity is here. Let's unlock it together. Now, let us see some examples of image generation using these various tools like ChatGPT, Meta AI, Gemini, or Grok. Let us try for the first example. I have written a very simple prompt. Sunset over a futuristic city in digital art style. Let's see how it generates. Taking some time, but it is working on it. In the meantime, it generates. Let's put the same prompt to the other AI tools also. Let's come to the Meta. Let's try with Gemini and Grok. All are working. The GPT is still generating. Okay, Meta has already generated. It has given me a 4 options. Gemini has also generated, and the Grok is also generating. More or less, the images are similar, but ChatGPT is still working. ChatGPT has created an image. You can see the difference of the image generated by each tool, and you can choose your desired one accordingly. Let us try some another. This time the prompt is like this: cute corgi wearing a superhero caps in cartoon style. Let's do the ChatGPT its work. We will place the same to Meta and even to Gemini and the group. Let's see how all this respond. The ChatGPT is generating. Okay, nice. Meta has already generated. All the time, the Meta is giving us a 4 options for the same. Okay, see, Gemini has also generated the same, and Guru has also finished doing it. In this case, you can see that ChatGPT takes more time nowadays. Let's wait for some time. Okay, the image creation by ChatGPT is also done. So you can see different forms of image generated for the same prompt. So let's try once more. Let's put a prompt with a 19th century oil painting of a dragon in a library, warm lighting. Let ChatGPT take its time and we take the same prompt with the other tools also. see, it is still working. Okay, you can see in this case, image generation by the Meta is very fast, and Rookie is also doing it. The Mina has also done the thing. Let's describe. It has generated an image for us. Meta gives us 4 options to select each time. Brook is also generating. Let's see how ChatGPT is still generating. Let's wait for the same, and at last we will see the generation by the 4. And at last we will see image generated by all the 4 AI. ChatGPT has also completed its image generation. So these are the different 4 types of image generated. Now let us try to generate a marketing poster with these tools. Let's see how it generates. I have written a prompt like a minimalistic ad poster for eco-friendly coffee in pastel colors. Let ChatGPT do its work as it takes some time. Again in Meta, let it do its work. In Gemini, that is, and in group. Let's see what these things is generated. ChatGPT is working on it. Okay, Meta has already done the thing. You can see very beautiful 4 different options of marketing poster. Okay, Gemini has also completed the image generation, and it is done very nicely also. Okay, group has done some mistake. It is relating with our previous prompt. Okay, let's try to refine it from, or we will generate a new chart and have the same again. The GPT is working. Let's see group this time is able to do it or not, as is mistakenly generated the previous image. Now it has taken the prompt correctly. You can see it now. It is still generating. It has finally done it. It's a very simple poster. You have to choose which tool image generation is best suited for you or as per your requirement. Now let us try to generate something that will be used for storytelling purpose. A dark fairy tale forest with glowing mushrooms, fantasy art. Let's see this time how it is done. Meta, Gemini, and Google. So ChatGPT is working on it. Okay, Meta has already done the generation. Gemini has also finished its work. Okay, this time Group has also understood the prompt correctly and it generated our desired images. Again, let's wait for ChatGPT for some time. ChatGPT has also done it. So these are the various forms of art it has generated for a single prompt. Today, we have explored the world of free AI art tools, their limitations, and how creatively overcome them. Whether you are using ChatGPT, Group, or others, this guide will help you to unlock their potential. Free AI art tools come with trade-offs: lower resolution, daily usage caps, and fewer customization options are common. For example, while Midjourney offers advanced features, free tools can still be powerful with the right approach. To get the most out of the free tools, use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements like blurry textures. Iteration is key. Refine your prompts based on initial results. Start with basic idea, adjust and perfect your artwork step by step. AI is a collaborator, not a replacement for human creativity. It democratizes art, making creation accessible to everyone. So experiment boldly, embrace the process, and share your unique visions with the world.
This is the ultimate guide to Midjourney. Here we will go through everything you need to know to get started, the pricing plans, how to get started, how to use basic and advanced prompts, copyrights and much more. My name is Kent, I'm a graphic designer and this is Dire Graphics. Midjourney is a text-to-image generator that has gained a lot of popularity since it was released in July 2022. So let's jump straight into how to get started using Midjourney. So here we are on midjourney.com, and the first thing you'll see when you open up the website is this confusing front page right here that will make you think that you're in the wrong place. Don't worry, you're in the right place. So to start using Midjourney, you simply need to click this button right here that says sign in. So after clicking the sign in button, you'll be redirected to discord.com. And this might be a little bit confusing at first, but this is actually because Midjourney is run on a Discord server and not on a website like the other AI tools. So if you don't have a Discord account, you need to register right here to create a Discord account. I already have one, so I will simply log in. After logging in, you'll get this pop-up right here and simply just click authorize. So now we are logged into our Midjourney account, but we need to find the Discord server to start generating our images. So click this link right here that says join the Discord to start creating. Then you'll get this pop-up right here, and you can simply click the blue button to accept the invitation to Midjourney. Then confirm you're human by selecting the see others or whatever. So here we are inside our Discord, and make sure you have selected the Midjourney server. So if you don't know how to use Discord, don't worry, you don't need to. The only thing you need to know inside here is that you need to go to these rooms right here that says newbies. So simply click on one of these newbies rooms, and from here we can start creating. So if you go inside the feed, you can scroll up and down to see what people have made, and also what the Midjourney bot is making. So everything that everyone in this room creates will be dropped into the same feed right here. This means that it can be a little bit tricky to find your own prompt because the room gets flooded all the time with new images. So before we start generating images, I suggest you go to the bottom of the room. So now click this box down in the bottom, type in a dash, and then type imagine. Then press the spacebar, and now we are ready to enter our prompt. So here I've typed in a very basic and generic prompt, and let's see what Midjourney comes up with. So as you can see right here, because I just created this account for the sake of this tutorial, I need to accept the terms of service before I can use Midjourney. So simply click on this accept TOS, and sometimes you'll get this error message, but it's usually because you didn't accept the terms of service quick enough. So simply type in another prompt, find the dialog box with the terms of service again, and quickly click accept TOS. That's what I did right here, and now the terms of service is accepted. So now once again, go to the prompting box, type in a dash plus imagine, then press the spacebar, and once again let's type in a guy in a fantasy city. And click enter. Now let's scroll up to find our prompt. And as you can see, our prompt is highlighted in yellow. This makes it easier to find when you're scrolling up. When the images are done generating, as you see right here, they will return to the bottom. So now simply go to the bottom once again. So here are the images. Midjourney creates 4 images. And to be honest, they look really cool. So before we can use the image, we have to choose one and upscale it. So click away from this. And as you can see in the bottom of the images, we have view 1 to 4 and V1 to 4. And these buttons actually means upscale image number 1, which is this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I like image number 2, I can choose to upscale image number 2 to get a full version of image number 2. Or I can choose variation 2 to get a new variation of image number 2. So if I like image number 2 and I want to use it, I need to click U2. Then I need to scroll down to find the upscaling. And here is something highlighted in yellow, and the upscaling can take a little while. So I will skip forward. So here we have our finished upscaled image, and we can simply click it and click download if we want to. So this is the most basic prompt we can do. And by the way, this Pikachu right here is awesome. Shout out to this develop tech boss for creating this image. So now let's do some more advanced prompts to get some more control over the image. And you do advanced prompts by adding keywords to your sentences. But there's a lot of keywords and you will not be able to remember them all. So instead of just going through a list with all these keywords, I recommend using this Midjourney prompt tool right here. So go to prompt.noonshot.com. There'll be a link down in the description as well. Now start typing in the main idea as it says right here, and our main idea is a guy in a fantasy city. So now I can go down to these options right here and add a specific lighting, a specific camera, depth of field, quality, and really most of the things you'll ever need. So let's go to lighting, and here we can select a specific kind of lighting for our image. So let's scroll down a little bit, and I think I'll select this moonlight right here. And this slider right here is how much of a priority the moonlight is. So do you want a lot of moonlight or a little bit of moonlight? I'll just keep it at 1. Now I'll choose a style. So let's scroll down a little bit. I think this Caribbean style looks cool. So choose the style and click continue. And for quality, I suggest you always choose 2x. This will give your image a higher resolution. Also, you can choose size, go to aspect ratio. And if you want an image that is fitted more for a screen instead of a square, you need to choose 3:2. And this is because version 4 at this point does not support 16:9. I think they'll update this prompt helper in the near future. Version 4 is just released and this prompt helper is on version 3. But just remember, if you want to fit it to a screen, you need to choose 3:2 for now. And now we have the full prompt right here with all the keywords added to it. So now select copy prompt, go back to the Discord server. Scroll to the bottom, go to this box right here and add in the prompt by clicking Ctrl V. Then click enter. And now it starts creating the image. And here we have the images with our new prompt. And this image right here turned out really good, I think. So tap out of this and select U1 because we want an upscale of image number 1. Then find the new input right here and wait for our job to start. This once again will take a while, so I will fast forward. So here we have our new upscaled image. I think it turned out really well. So this is advanced prompting, but you can actually upload images as well and use them in your prompt. So to do this, click this plus button right here, upload a file, find the file on your computer and click open. And here I have a photo of 2 puppies. Now simply click enter to upload the photo to the server. Scroll down to find it again. And now to use the photo, simply click dash, imagine, spacebar. Then click and drag the photo down to the prompt. Then click the spacebar and add whatever you want to your photo. I will add in Picasso style. Click enter and see what happens. Let's scroll down to find it right here. Now it's done. Let's go down and find it. So now we have the two puppies in a Picasso style right here. And I don't think these photos turned out very well, but you can play around with your own photos and see what you can come up with. So now let's take a look at the subscription plans. And if we go down a little bit, we can see here that the free trial is giving us 0.4 hours of fast GPU time. This equals to 25 minutes and each photo is 1 minute. So in the free trial you'll get to generate 25 photos. And not 25 a day or a month, it's for the lifetime. So use your 25 free attempts wisely. But if you run out of your free photos, you can upgrade to a paid plan and it's really affordable. So for some reason they choose to hide the prices down in the bottom. So let's scroll down here. And as you can see, the basic plan is just $8 a month. And if you're just doing this as a hobby, the basic plan should be more than enough. So you can choose the basic plan, the standard plan and the pro plan. So let's scroll up again to see what's in the plans. And as you can see right here, the basic plan will give you 3.3 hours a month. And that's about 200 images a month. And then you can get 15 hours or 30 hours as well. And now you might ask, is it legal to use the photos that you generated? And to answer that question, we need to go down to the bottom right here, where it says usage rights. And for the free trial, we will have to apply by the Creative Commons rules. So let's click this link. And here we can see what we can and can't do. So we are free to copy and redistribute the material in any medium or format, and we can remix, transform and build upon the material. But as you can see right here, the free trial is for non-commercial usage only. This basically means that if you're on the free trial, you cannot legally use your images to earn money. So now let's go back to the subscription plan, and as you can see for the paid plans, these go under the general commercial terms, and we can find these down here. So let's scroll down a little bit to see the requirements. And here we have the copyright and trademarks. So here it says that if you're a paid member, you own all the assets you create with the services. This means that if you're using the paid plan, you can legally use the images to earn money. This means anything from creating a flyer for a customer or selling the photos directly in an image bank like Adobe Stock. This means that the $8 that the cheapest paid plan costs can be earned back pretty quickly if you're good at selling photos. So now if you ever need to find your images again after generating them, you simply go back to midjourney.com, sign in to your account, and all your images will be saved right here on your account.
AI art creation is incredibly powerful, but it also raises important questions we can't ignore. This technology is just about making images. It's reshaping fundamental concepts of ownership, representation, and truth in our digital world. One of the biggest debates is determining who actually owns AI generated artwork. Is it the user who provided the prompt, the developer who created the system, or the original artist whose work helped to train the AI? Current laws are struggling to keep up with these questions, leading inconsistent regulations worldwide. These systems often reflect and amplify hidden biases present in their training data. Without careful oversight, they can reinforce stereotypes and limited perspectives in their outputs. This makes it crucial to examine results critically rather than accepting them at face value. As AI generated content becomes more sophisticated, distinguishing between real and artificial creations grows increasingly difficult. This development forces us to reconsider how we verify authenticity and trust what we see in digital space. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we have discovered today. We have seen how a simple idea can transform into stunning visuals with the right approach. The key lies in the understanding that great results come from clear communication and thoughtful refinement. This is not just about technology, it's about collaboration between human creativity and machine precision. Notice how different platforms interpret the same idea uniquely. Some prioritize speed and simplicity, Others offer detailed customization. A few even surprise us with unexpected creativity. Your goal should guide which method you choose, whether you need or experimental flair. We have just scratched the surface of what's possible when human creativity and AI work together. Remember, these tools are your new paintbrush, not your painters. The future of art, design, and storytelling is not about replacing imagination but amplifying it. Thank you for joining this exploration. Now, I would love to see your creations. Try these techniques, share your results with others, and keep questioning how we can use this technology wisely. Until next time, stay curious and stay creative.